Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in dance, movement, and science: gyrate. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is gyrate. Let's break it down. First, we have gy, which rhymes with pie or sky. Next is rate, which sounds just like rate, as in interest rate. Now, let's put it all together: gyrate. Try repeating after me: gyrate. Now a little faster: gyrate. And at full speed: gyrate. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Gyrate means to spin or move in a circular motion. For example, a dancer might gyrate their hips, or a tornado gyrates as it moves. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce gyrate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.